All right, guys. Got the old filter out. New one's in. Edges all wiped down. Got the new, or the pan all cleaned up. Painted, like I showed. So, just letting the gasket sit in the sun a little bit longer. So, you just sit flat. I'll show you right now why. That way I kind of use a little bit of silicone so it stays on the pan, like I said, so it doesn't move. I see how it's kind of bowed because I throw it in a box. So let it sit in the sun a little more, get a little more movable, and I'll get that all up. And Boss Man actually might be here in a little bit. We can explain a couple things to him and see where he wants to go. All right, guys. Put a little bit of silicone on there. Let it get tacky. Just kind of have the bolts where it's keeps it in place. All the holes lined up. Give that a couple minutes, get tacky, and we'll go slap it in. Get that part done. I think we're gonna check on some other stuff on this car. Get the checklist going, and go from there. Huh, Scotty?
Yes, sir.
Wherever you went. Oh, there you are.
Yes, sir.
What's up, guys? Boss Man's here. Shh, don't talk about him. Anyways, back to the video. Pan's in. And Boss Man says, because we got trans kids, we should have the seal for the other. What did I say? Oh, tomato, potato. So I can find the seal for that side pan that I was showing earlier. Up and away. I had a bunch of silicone between the two pans. So I want to replace that so we have no leakage. Period. And we'll go from there. And I got to check with Scotty, see if we got crush washers in yet. If we did, we can also finish bleeding the brakes. So that'll be all done. And we can go from there. All right, guys. What do we say?